Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing an in-depth read for you Capricorn to see where you are, how you're doing, how you're feeling, how your partner's feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection now. And these are general collective readings, Capricorn, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So my angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Capricorn, let's begin your reading. Welcome back my subscribers. Thank you so much for being here again. And if you're new here Capricorn, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Cappies, for me this is going to be person A. And I'm setting down now cards for person B. Person B. If this is your story, you'll know which side you belong to, right? Okay. All right. Action for person A, action for person B. And yes, bottom of my spread, I have the Four of Swords. So a little bit of retreating is going on here. I mean, retreating not as if taking a holiday, but I think taking a step back to evaluate what's really happened here. Maybe there's been a fight here. I do see a tower moment with some angry words which have been spoken. So Capricorn, if this is your story, let's keep going. If you are not in this position, or where you've just had kind of a nasty fight where you've decided to release somebody or somebody's released you, there's been a lot of blockage or pushing away and a tower moment. So okay, what I'm going to do Capricorn, I'm going to start with some angel blessing cards, some dialogue message cards first, to see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll begin the clarification process. Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and their person, spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Capricorn and their person. It's going to get better Capricorn. I'm just my eyes are going over all the cards. It's going to end up okay, don't worry about it. This could be the recent past of how you're feeling. Okay. Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and their person. Okay. All right, Capricorn, let's start our reading. The first card here says, why do you stay away when they treat you so badly? I really didn't think we were compatible at first. I see that we are now. I honestly don't think anyone will love you more than I do. Just saying. I would be honored to give you children. You made me realize I had flaws. I'm trying to do better now. Wishing you the best, even if it's with someone else. I'm happy for you. I keep reading our old text messages. It's hard to move on when I keep comparing you to everyone new that I meet. So Capricorn, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start the clarification process. But before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. See if my angels could say something, what that would be for you. Capricorn, Capricorn spirit, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Peace will be restored. I was feeling that. Peace will be restored back to this connection sooner than later. Maybe you guys just needed to take that little step back to realize what this connection was all about. So let's see. Let's start with the energies of person A, Capricorn, and see what's going on. Knight of Swords in reverse. Spirit, what's that? Knight of Swords and the Four of Pentacles. Yeah, somebody didn't speak the truth here. Maybe some harsh words were some harsh words were exchanged, somebody's heart got broken in the process, and maybe, this connection was released to see what else was out there, maybe go on for something new because of this fight. Somebody decided to release the connection. So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past for all this to happen? There was a lack of proper communication between the two of you. Somebody was behaving very self-centered, very selfish, maybe not taking action when they should have, not offering any new beginning, not taking a leap of faith in this connection, breaking promises all the time. And yes, somebody here, I think on person A's side, finally made a choice, made a decision that I don't want to be with you, you don't make me happy. In fact, I'm always left feeling depressed and sad and sorry because I'm always by myself. Yes, I don't feel passionate towards you anymore with this kind of behavior and whatever's happened. So, person A, how do you feel about this connection now? Well, the electricity just went, but I hope you can still see. It'll come back in a second. Person A is very, very angry. Person A is very, very angry. They were expecting a connection. They were expecting marriage. They had a lot of love for person B. Now they've kind of decided it's better that I pull back my love. I'm angry with them because of whatever fight happened here. I'm not willing to offer them my love anymore. I don't want to stay stuck on them. I want to get unstuck from this connection. There's been a tower moment here, a big tower moment which has led one person to say, I'm releasing this connection. Yeah, somebody wants to get out of feeling stressed out. The person A has decided, I'm not going to sit in this place where I'm always overthinking, wondering what person B is up to. I'm now going to get myself out of feeling always abandoned, always neglected, and I'm going to now turn myself upright. And earlier they've always been feeling like the Queen of Wands in reverse, angry, upset, not taking any action to make themselves happy. So this person is turning themselves around to say, it's my turn. I'm still fabulous looking, I'm gorgeous, I can get anybody I want, I can concentrate on myself, and I'm going to start living life now. Am I right, Spirit? Yes, this person is shining. Whoever this person is going towards making their own wishes come true now. I'm going to take actions to make my own self happy. I'm healing, I've healed, I've taken a step back, I'm feeling better about life now, and I'm going to now progress in my own life for me. So what action person A will take towards person B, I'll open later. Capricorn, let's go on to the other side and see what's happening here. 7 of Wands. Yes, they feel they've been blocked. Maybe person A has already blocked them on social media or pictures, on anything. Basically, they're feeling a blockage coming from person A's side, and they're also seeing that person A is single now and abundant and beautiful, and anybody can kind of snatch them up now, and they are going through a huge tower moment. They are shocked that their person could leave them and block them, and yet they see them glowing like a star, like a somebody who is ready to mingle kind of a thing. The money looks good, they're all dressed up and they look good all the time, and not coming towards them. Now this has become a big shock for person B. Now they're realizing, oh God, I never invested in this person. I never put in any time or energy or effort. But now I want to go back to them. I want to go and apologize to them. This has been a bit shocker for them. That what happened here? One more Spirit for the tower. For the tower. Yes, now they're realizing the worth of person A. Now they see them as this is the perfect person. I'm comparing everybody else new that I meet, and nobody is comparing to person A. Person A is the perfect spouse, perfect partner. They are beautiful, intelligent, they work, they are able to provide for themselves and take care of others. keep a good home, can, like this is an all-in-one kind of perfect partner. So person B has now had this aha moment. What have I done? I never invested in this person in the past. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to feel this way? The Fool. Yes, they got an opportunity to have a brand new beginning with a soulmate nonetheless. A perfect union, perfect partner with the Two of Cups. But they didn't fight for this connection. They never fought for this connection, never took a leap of faith. And they got dropped. Yes, their partner dropped them, made a decision, dropped them. Now this person is feeling very unhappy and feeling that whatever games they were playing with person A has basically backtracked on them. Now they feel like a loser. Why? Because they now realize that this is my person, this is my Two of Cups. This is the person I was meant to be with. Two of Cups, Spirit. Two of Cups. This person didn't listen to their intuition when the time was right, Capricorn. They were very immature. They didn't see things in a broader perspective, maybe. They were preferring to be still juvenile and be in and out, or not commit, or just be childish, I would say here. They were not listening to their intuition when the time was right, when this gift was offered to them from the universe. So how does person B now see this connection, Spirit? They feel person A is now no longer offering them love. Queen of Cups in reverse. Yes, they feel that Queen of Cups has now turned into a Queen of Swords. They feel their person's become very logical and strict and will ask them questions and hardened up, or, no longer kind of being that sweet, soft, gentle Queen of Cups that they knew earlier. And what else, Spirit? How else will we see person A or the connection? Yes, they've spent a lot of time in reflection now, Capricorn. Person B has also gone within. They've kind of figured out that I don't want anyone else. There's nobody else who can compete where my person is concerned. I want to get out of this fighting. I don't want us to fight anymore. I want to get out of this stress and tension that this separation has created. They want to get out of this overthinking. Eight of Swords, Spirit. Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords. Cards are not falling. Eight of Swords, Spirit. Eight of Swords. Yes, this person is very depressed. They're very depressed. They feel whatever mind manipulations or emotional manipulation, whatever games they played, it backfired big time. It backfired big time, and this person is quite restless, very restless at the moment. Yes, because of this, they're getting impatient as well, and they are feeling the lack of balance between the two of you now. So let's see if person A will take any action. Person A, will you take any action? Or are you doing good on your own now? Magician. Person A is manifesting something wonderful for themselves. I think this person has really gained confidence in themselves. So what are you manifesting, person A? Let us in on your secret. What are you manifesting? What's person A manifesting, Spirit? Manifesting love, new love. I'm going to put this back, came back sideways. Once again, what are you manifesting, person A? What are you manifesting? What are you manifesting? One more. I have a feeling person A is manifesting new love for themselves. They feel where I was, that there was no happiness, there was no wish fulfillment, things were always conflicted, and that's the reason I was taking out cards, but they were not coming out right. There was something amiss, and I was not getting that feel. But these cards are saying the same thing. The person A feels if I return back to a non-workable situation, then it's going to be injustice again. So I might as well look forward to new love now. Let's see person B. Will you take any action? 5 of Wands in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Action. Why is that an action? 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 They've been knocked off their high horse, that's for sure. They're feeling very unsure, very insecure. They feel things are really stagnated and halted in their life. They are desperately wanting to end this conflict, get out of their head, their sleepless nights. They feel they've lost power now. But are they going to take any action, Spirit? That was the question. Will they take any action towards person A now? They do want to open up. They don't want to hold back anymore, but they are feeling very burdened with guilt, I think. They're feeling very, very burdened with guilt. As much as they want to now open up, or maybe they feel that they've already been released, that could be another possibility. They feel in their mind, they feel things, they've been judged. Okay? They feel that, which is true. Person A is now kind of almost released them. And saying, hey, this is a bad situation, I'm looking for new love, I am doing very well on my own. And person B is very burdened by the fact that they've been released. They're very ashamed and embarrassed of their... So, and no wonder the light kept going and coming and going and coming throughout this reading. So this week is going to be a bit of, taking a step back. More than action, from what I feel, at least in this connection. Person A, keep moving. You're doing really good. Person B, I think you need to get some courage and at least try. That's all I can say. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.